这是什么 tropical storm 啊 man 你在干嘛了
What, you
Alright.
wanted me to do it?
It's okay, I got it.
You said you had no battery.
I'll just use it up. Oh, we're sitting in the car waiting for some crazy guy to look at our house. They better buy the house because we're suffering in the car and cannot go
What if they
inside.
cancel the appointment?
Oh, then I know I won't know because Uncle Michael would call the house. I don't have his other... I know, it'll be so sad. Alright, so this is...
The end of us.
Yeah. The birds are like floating away. There's actually a lot of flooding. They had to rescue 2 dogs and a person today. It's like Glendora. You can't see anything. Alright guys. Stay dry and warm. Oh, okay. Bye. I have to pick up Coco. I can't see anything now.
I can't see anything.
It's too much fog.
Just drive so we can see what it looks like when you're driving.
They just want to see if our house would flood in the rain. That's why they picked right now to come.
Why couldn't they pick any other house?
No, 因为我们的 on sale. For sale.
And Ladera Ranch.
然后可能已经去看过。Well, the streets are flooded.
Ouch.
You need to open the window and see.
No.
Right.